The visible light that we can see is just a tiny sliver of the full range of wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum. Once wavelengths are too long or too short, the photoreceptors in our retinas can no longer detect them, and this means that we don't see anything. Now, the longest wavelengths that we can see correspond to the color red, and once wavelengths get a little bit longer than this, we can no longer see them, and these are infrared wavelengths. But there is a way that you can see infrared wavelengths, and all you need is a remote control. Most remote controls send infrared signals. So when I press a button on this remote, I don't see anything being emitted. I can't tell that there's a signal. But if I hold this up to a camera, the camera is going to pick up on some of those infrared wavelengths, and it's going to convert them onto the visible spectrum so I can see them on the screen. And if I try this in a dark room, you can see the signal very clearly. So you can try this at home. All you need is a remote control and your phone's camera, and depending on the infrared filter on your camera, you can see how much of this signal you're able to detect.